Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we unbox subscription boxes, share our shopping hauls, review products, and share our love for all things Disney. If that sounds like something that you want to see more of, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning member of our community, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. It is so great to see you. Today's video is going to be a subscription box that is no stranger to this channel, but that I did skip last month, and I am really glad that I'm getting it again this month. I was really happy whenever it showed up on my doorstep, and that is Therabox. So Therabox is a monthly wellness and self-care subscription box that sends you ingredients to create happiness. So the subscription box is $34.99 a month and promises quite the retail value. I saw the retail value over on Instagram, so let me make sure that I have it correct. Yes, so this month's box promises at least a $240 retail value. So I am really excited to jump on in and see what comes in this box. When you open up the box, the first thing that you are going to see is our booklet. So this booklet does have information about all the products and the theme for this month. And the theme for this month, this is December's box, yes, is holiday. So even though you are watching this, assuming you're watching this whenever it uploads, you are watching this in January, but Therabox does send out their subscription boxes at the very end of the month for that month. It's sort of, I see it as like a, yay, you survived the month gift to yourself. All right, so here is what the box looks like whenever you open it. So the first item is an item that I'm not exactly sure how much use I'm going to get out of in Louisiana, but it has been cold the last few winters. Like, I'm sure not cold for like the rest of the world, but cold for us, like temperatures in like the 20s and 30s. So could definitely get a use out of it on those days. And it's a beanie. I do, by the way, I do wear beanies all the time during winter, but this is a lined beanie. So I'm not exactly sure if it's going to get cold enough for that, but possibly on those early mornings when I'm leaving for work. I enjoy the little pom-pom on here. That is a cute touch. So this is a mauve shade, which I do think would go with a lot of things. And then on the like cuff area of the beanie, it says all is well. Ooh, nice and cozy. So let me read you a little bit about this beanie. All right, so the All in Well beanie, it looks like it came in either this mauve color, black, or a camel color. So this is from Up Top Accessories, and let's see, there's just something about pom-poms and knitted beanies that make us undeniably cheerful and warm and cozy even on the blusteriest of winter days. And I do have to agree, I feel so much better about life when I stick a beanie on my head. This beanie is patterned with a luxe knitted chunky cable stitches along with an embroidered reminder that all is well. Just the perfect reminder and moment of calm we all need after this turbulent year. The ultra soft and fuzzy inner layer and ribbed underscore allow you to fold up or pull past your ears for extra warmth. And the fun and fluffy faux fur pom-pom is that perfect dash of cozy comfort in the midst of winter. All right, so this is actually, I was calling it mauve, but they are calling this lavender, which I could see. This is like a mauve lavender. So I really like it. So I'm going to keep it on for the rest of the video. Next item that I'm pulling out is a skincare item from Evelyn. I received an item from Evelyn in the previous box, so 2 months ago. I'll link that up in the eyes and down below if you want to check out that unboxing. But a toner, a firming toner came in that box, and I have been loving it. It smells so great. It smells like fresh apples. So this is a hydrating serum from Evelyn. All right, and with this serum, you can give your skin a mega dose of moisture and prevent it from feeling dry this holiday season. The hydrating serum from Evelyn features a unique formula with high, low, and super low molecular weight hyaluronic acids that protect, hydrate, and repair the skin. Next, we are pulling out a product from Evelyn Skincare. This is their Toasted Marshmallow Sugar Polish. All right, so if this is anything like the other skincare products from this brand that we've received in the last few boxes, this should be gorgeous. Oh, I want to eat it. I know I'm not supposed to, but I want to eat it. It smells so good. So this is not gorgeous on the inside, like whenever I opened it. But let's take a look at, it appears Like, this is gorgeous. It appears that this gold is going to be mixed throughout. So this sugar polish is formulated for all skin types. It's made with simple pure ingredients like shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter, sugar, and jojoba oil. An aroma of fire toasted marshmallows. Yeah, this is not lying. This smells like roasted marshmallows have been shoved in here. That is amazing. All right, so this skin polish hydrates and refreshes the skin. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And not only does it exfoliate the skin, but it also adds an extra layer of pampering. So this next item is different, but really cute. In an ornament, and it is a Snowman makeup sponge. I'm gonna be completely dead honest with you. This is really cute, and I don't think I'm going to use it ever. I think that I'm just, cause like, yeah, it's covered in glitter as well, because the ornament ball was covered in glitter, but I don't think I would ever use it for a makeup sponge. I think I'm just going to store it with my Christmas decorations and every year just put it with my makeup. Like, put it out, like I have my makeup on a shelf, so I'm just going to put it there. But the makeup sponge Snowman, little smiley face with the little Santa pom-pom hat. The next product is from Skin & Co. Roma, and I have received this brand's skincare line in so many subscription boxes, and I am so glad every time that I do receive it because I absolutely love all of the products from Roma & Co. This is from their Truffle Therapy collection, and this is one of my favorite cleansing oils, so I'm really glad that it was in this box. This is their Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Now, I do have to say about this, this is for all skin types, sensitive skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination, etc. I do have to say about this, it does have, like, I'm not going to open it up because I don't need it right now, but this does have a really earthy, like a strong earthy scent to it. But this cleansing oil does a fantastic job of removing every single trace of makeup in like your first step of skincare. So like I always use some sort of balm or oil or some sort of like micellar water, something to remove all of my makeup, or sunscreen and toner and sunscreen and products, whatever have you, if I haven't worn makeup that day, before I go in and cleanse my skin with whatever cleanser I use. And this is a perfect first step. Okay, next we have a hair mask from Meg. And I've never gotten a hair mask or tried a hair mask like this before. So this, if you look on the back, this is going to be a hair mask that actually like you wrap your hair in. I've gotten hair masks before that it's like just a really strong conditioner sort of thing, but this is like a proper, like, you know, like the face mask. This is a proper thing that you wrap your hair in and you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it out with lukewarm water. And this is supposed to be a cooling hair mask. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used a hair mask like this, that it's like an actual literal thing that you wrap up over your head. All right, next we have a robe, same color. Lavender Robe from Viola Vaughn. We have, let me see if I can get this up. We have some fluttery sleeves, and then it has the same design at the bottom. I can see if I can put it on over this. And right here on the left-hand side, it says, "Said I love you." I feel like when a little kid plays dress up and they just like put everything on top of the clothes they're already wearing. Okay, so this, like, I know that you only see me most of the time from like the shoulders on up, and if you've never seen any of my Shein clothing try-on hauls, you may not know this, but I am plus sized, and this is fitting, which I really enjoy receiving robes in subscription boxes because they're such like nice, cool things, but a lot of times the robes don't fit me, and specifically they don't fit me in the shoulders because I am quite, like, I sit kind of hunched over for my videos, but I do have quite wide shoulders, and a lot of times they are tight. It is not tight on my shoulder, however, it is nowhere near where it is going to like actually close, and I can wear it as a closed robe. So definitely not size inclusive. Nowhere near will it look like this on me, but this is what the robe is supposed to look like. It does give me the like short vibes of, hello, my husband just died of mysterious circumstances, which, you know, that's pretty cute and all. But I personally probably won't be getting that much use out of that robe. And usually in Therabox boxes, they include one happiness boosting item, and this month they included 2. The first item is a box of note cards, which I do enjoy these little like kind of get to know yourself, meditative sort of cards that they do send. 30 days of intention. So 30 days of questions to live life with intention, asking you to stop and think Am I headed in the right direction? Ooh, I really need this. I guess we all really need that. All right, and I'm going to pull one out to give you an example. I'm not exactly sure if they're in any particular order. First one that I did pull out. So little cards like this. So this would be great if you wanted to do them yourself, but I also think it would be really cute to give these to other people. And so you have 30 days of intentions, and then you have a question. So the one that I pulled out falls under gifts. What are your personal gifts? Are you implementing them in your daily life? And our second happiness boosting activity for this box is a workbook. I love workbooks, especially the ones that Therabox sends us. And this is the Look Back Plan Ahead workbook, a reflection and goal setting guide. This is something that I try to do every year on my own, but it's going to be really cool to have it like actually guided. So items like what was awesome and not so awesome about this year, highlights from the past year, thinking on that. I am a really big reflecting on the past in order to move forward type of person. So this is definitely going to come in handy. So I'm going to tell you the retail value of everything in here, and then I don't have my phone with me, but I'm going to add it up and put it on the screen. All right, so first up we have the Evelyn Hydrating Serum, and this has a retail value of $68. We have, I'm not going to take it out again because I've already put it back in a bag, the Viola Von Color Block Ruffle Sleeve Faux Silk Robe for $39. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil has a retail value of $32. A delicious smelling Toasted Marshmallow Sugar Polish from Enamena has a retail value of $29.99. This beanie, which is really keeping my ears warm right now, from Up Top Accessories, the All Is Well Beanie has a retail value of $25. The Base Blue Snowman Makeup Sponge, which will in all honesty turn into Christmas decorations for the future in my apartment, has a retail value of $13. The Meg Cosmetic Steaming Hair Mask has a retail value of $10. 30 Days of Intentions card set from Gratitude Glass Jars has a retail value of $19.99. And the Look Back Plan Ahead workbook from Free Period Press has a retail value of $8. And I'll add it together as a retail value of... All right, so if you do want more information about Therabox, or you would like to subscribe or give Therabox as a gift, I do have all of those details and a website you can do so at down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking down below in the description box past Therabox unboxings I've done on this channel, so you can check them out if you would like to. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. What was your favorite item within this box? I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell on your way out. It would help me out tremendously, and it would mean so much to me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!